Hello there, everybody, and guess what? It's been a while since I made video reviews on the DQ Blizzard ice cream treats. And here's a new flavor Blizzard of the Month that just came out recently. It's called Cake Batter Cookie Dough. That's right, it's made out of cake batter and some cookie dough and some creamy DQ soft serve. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give this a try and see how it tastes. Here it is. Looks really neat. So let's give this a try. Yummy. It tastes like cake with some cookie doughs with colorful sprinkles on them. Really love it. Lots of sprinkles. So let's give another try. Delicious. So anyways, guys, what do you think about this Blizzard flavor right here? I also have an idea for a special kind of cartoons, like about two reindeers that saves Christmas. It's called Duke and Gypsy Save Christmas, or Duke and Gypsy Saves Christmas. In case for anyone who haven't heard it before, it's a special cartoon that I just came up with, something as a tribute to one of the classic Reagan-based animation, Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, since Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, one of my favorite cartoons to watch. So anyways, any ideas for character designs? Maybe have them look similar to Reagan-based designs with modern looks at the time. So yeah. So anyways, what do you think about this yummy Blizzard right here? Let me know what do you guys think in the comments section below. And if you enjoyed this video, give a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe to my channel for more videos in the future. That will help me out a lot, and I'll try the best I can to do a good job with these drawings, designs, and much more. So anyways, stay tuned for more, and I'll see you soon. Bye.